Today, I would like to introduce to you a manual welding machine of our Sinebe series. ZX7 401 model with VRD anti-shock function, external thrust adjustment. Can long welding 4.0 electrode portable engineering machine. This is an air switch and a high-frequency cooling fan. Connect 3-phase electricity, small body, high current. Now let's look at the actual operation. Connect 3-phase electricity. Connect the power. Turn on the switch and adjust the current according to demand. Turn on VRD anti-shock function. Let's start welding. A welding electrode that can long weld 4.0.